Anyway, I will show you what issue I have. I opened the Facebook Marketplace poster. I used the exact same post. The exact everything is just the same. Nothing is changed. I'm 100% sure because even the pictures are the same. So even the path to the pictures are the same. It's all just the same. And yeah, just now it worked with one post, but then it just doesn't figure it out anymore and starts tripping, starts having an error. I will show you. But to be sure, I will show you the CSV data with my details from Holland that you have made for me. This is what it looks like. Just the same. Exactly the same. So even the path is same, price same, everything is same. Okay. Now, one, that's the problem. I don't know why it does that suddenly. Maybe I have done something wrong. If I did something wrong, just tell me. But I don't know, man. I just done the same thing over and over again, and suddenly it went wrong. It doesn't work anymore. So thank you, and I will hear from you soon.